Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 C300 4MATIC. This one is an iridium silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in excellent condition. A black MB-Tex interior sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of brand new floor mats, comfort box for extra storage. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, a natural grain oak wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got a new touchpad steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition, 10.25 high resolution monitor for our media display, a rear view backup camera, hard keys for our media display, dual climate controls, wireless charging, USB port, our dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, turn wheel for our infotainment center. This C300 4MATIC has 5,807 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.